One income stream is financial Russian roulette. You're vulnerable. The moment something happens to your job, your entire life is on the line. To accelerate your money growth, you need multiple income streams. Not 5 full-time jobs, but different systems that make money. Your main job is one, but you can also freelance with a skill you've built. Start a small digital product store, sell print-on-demand merch, run affiliate links, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or rent out a space you're not using. Even a few bucks from each stream adds up and builds your security net. Let's break down a few practical ideas. Freelance. Take that skill you've been learning and start offering it on Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly to small businesses. Writing, editing, marketing, design, all in demand. Digital products. Create a Notion template, an ebook, a checklist, and sell it on Gumroad. Make it once, earn forever. Affiliate marketing. Use tools or platforms you love and promote them. Earn a commission for every sign-up or sale. Service business. Launch a local or remote offer. Tutoring, consulting, social media help. Investing. Buy dividend stocks or ETFs that pay you passively. Reinvest until the income grows. Pick one extra stream. Start small. Use your evenings or weekends. Don't wait until your job feels unsafe. Build while you're stable. Most millionaires have at least 7 income streams. You don't need 7 now, but you need more than one. That's tip number 2 from the series. Subscribe to the Money Manual if you're serious about financial freedom, and watch tip number 3 next. It's the one most people get backwards.